Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Motorola Edge 50 Pro and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same situation as mine, you try search your game but it isn't visible. We must go back to the main menu, tap on our photo on the right corner and there settings. In it, family, and there parental control, which is on, and we have PG3. To visible game as Mobile Legends games we need more than PG3. To change it we must press there, then we must enter our connect pin to parental control, and now we can easily change it by tap to PG16, confirm by got it and save. We can also turn off all our parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again and it is visible and we can install it. Thanks for watching, bye!